Hello children, welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir, Vasai East. Myself Lavina, your science teacher. In this video we are going to learn part 2 of chapter 10, Soil Erosion and Conservation. What is soil conservation? Soil is a resource that must be conserved. Soil conservation is a method to maintain the fertility of the soil by protecting the soil from erosion and nutrient loss. Methods to conserve the soil from erosion. In plain fields, by growing grass. If the plain field can be covered with grass or some fast growing plants just to cover the soil, we can avoid the loss of topsoil. Grass plants, which are also known as runners, cover the soil fast and hold the soil with their fibrous roots. By growing more plants and trees. To save the topsoil, trees or small plants can be planted, whose roots can hold the soil tightly and avoid soil erosion. Planting a large number of trees is known as afforestation. In forest and grasslands, soil conservation can be done by avoiding overgrazing. In crop fields or agricultural land, soil can be conserved by making high boundaries of mud in the form of bunds. Big farms can be divided into small field areas with boundaries. Soil conservation in hill slopes. Hilly areas are slanting, so the rainwater flows very rapidly. As the water flows, it carries the topsoil with it. So to avoid the wastage, the hilly areas can be made into steps or terraces. This slow down the flow of water. Plantation on such steps will drastically reduce the erosion of soil. This method of farming, which prevents soil erosion, is known as terrace farming. Soil conservation on fields near rivers. Dams and embankments are useful in checking soil erosion. During heavy rains and flood, the rivers overflow and wash the topsoil from nearby fields and make them infertile for the next crop. Embankments are usually built on the banks of the river with stones or rocks. Dams also help in collecting flood water instead of letting them go into the field and causing soil erosion. The water that is collected in dams can be used whenever needed for farming or to generate electricity.